Hello, good day viewers, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics problem. Here we'll be evaluating without calculator 1 plus root 2 to the power of 8 plus 1 minus root 2 to the power of 8. Now let's get started. We're going to make some substitutions. And here we go. We're going to let A equals 1 plus root 2. And we're going to let B equals 1 minus root 2. Now, this number which we're about to evaluate now, in terms of A, would be A to the power of 8 plus B to the power of 8. So we'll be concentrating more on how to evaluate A to the power of 8 plus B to the power of 8, which will give us exactly the value of this expression here. Now, let's get into the main video. So here we have A is equal to 1 plus root 2, and we have here B is equal to 1 minus root 2. What happens when we add A and B? We see that the root 2 will be eliminated, right? So here we have A plus B. This will be equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Positive root 2 plus negative root 2 will be 0, right? So we just have 2. Then, what about the product of A and B? So the product of A and B will be equal to the difference of two squares. Let us recall that A plus B multiplied by A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. So we can see here we have 1 plus root 2 and we have 1 minus root 2. So their product, 1 plus root 2 and 1 minus root 2, will be equal to 1 squared minus root 2 squared. Remember, this will be equal to 1 minus square cancel root to have 2. So this will be negative 1. So here, this will be negative 1. So we have this to call it our equation 1, and we have this our equation 2. Now from equation 1, let's square both sides. A plus B squared will be equal to 2 squared. Now from the left hand side here, that will be equal to A squared plus B squared plus 2 times A times B. This will be equal to 2 squared, which is 4. Now, remember, A times B is equal to negative 1. So we have A squared plus B squared. Now, plus 2 times negative 1 will give us negative 2, and this is equal to 4. So add 2 to both sides, we get A to the second power plus B to the second power is equal to 6. Now, this is our equation 3. Now from equation 3, let's square both sides. So this will be A plus B, A squared plus B squared squared. This will be equal to 6 squared. So now, A squared squared will be A to the power of 4 plus B squared or squared will be B to the power of 4, then plus 2A squared B squared. This will be equal to 6 squared, which is 36. Now A to the power of n multiplied by B to the power of n. This is same as A times B all to the power of n. So here we have A to the power of 4 plus B to the power of 4 plus 2 into bracket A times B all squared. This will be equal to 36. Remember, A times B is negative 1. We get A to the power of 4 plus B to the power of 4. Then plus 2 times, remember, negative 1 squared is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. This will be equal to 36. From here, subtract 2 from both sides. We get A to the 4th power plus B to the 4th power is equal to 34. Let's call this our equation 4. Now, let's square both sides of equation 4. This will be equal to 34 squared. So here, that will be A to the power of 8 plus B to the power of 8 plus 2. A to the power of 4 times B to the power of 4 is same as A times B all to the power of 4. This will be equal to 34 squared we got 1156. So from here we get a to the power of 8 plus b to the power of 8 plus negative 1 to the power of 4 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. This is equal to 1156. Now subtract it from both sides. We get a to the power of 8 plus b to the power of 8 is equal to 1154. Now let us recall that we actually need the value for a to the power of 8 plus b to the power of 8, which is equal to 1154. And that should be the correct answer to the problem. Remember, a is equal to 1 plus root 2 and b is equal to 1 minus root 2. Therefore 1 plus root 2 to the power of 8 plus 1 minus root 2 to the power of 8 is equal to a to the power of 8 plus b to the power of 8, which is equal to 1154, which is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.